Okay, good morning, my dear students. In last class, we are discussing about generic class and generic method and corresponding examples. I hope all of you understand generic class example and as well as generic method examples, right? Yes. Next, today we are going to discussing about wildcard in Java generics. So this syntax means the question mark symbol represent the wildcard element. It means any type. If you write question mark extends number, what is the meaning of this? It means any child class of number. Means child class of number in the sense integer, float, double, etc. Now we can call the method of number class through any child class object. So this is a wildcard in Java generics. So now let us understand the same example. Let us understand by this concept through example. So this is wildcard in Java generics. See, in this particular example, see, we have an abstract class called name. Shape is an abstract class. Dry is an abstract method, which in this particular abstract class. Now we are developing some child classes. So rectangle class and as well as circle class. Rectangle class and as well as circle class. These two are child classes. So with the help of these child classes, we are implementing the draw method. Within the rectangle child class, drawing the rectangle. With the circle child class, drawing circle. That means in these two child class, we are implementing the draw method. Implementing the means this is only method without signature. So these two are not abstract classes. These two are extending classes, right? Right. With help of rectangle child class, draw the rectangle. With help of circle child class, drawing the circle. Drawing the circle. Next, here we are doing some generic test. See, in this particular class, creating a method that accepts only child class of shape. See, draw shapes. This is a method. This is a draw shape is a method. This method, see here we are using the wildcard syntax. A list question mark extend shape. This includes the subclasses of shape. What are the subclasses of shape? In this particular example, rectangle and as well as circle. It will support. That is wildcard. Therefore, for each statement, calling the method of shape class by child class instances. By child class instances. See, in main method, what we have to do, see, first of all, we have two types of child classes. One is rectangle and another one is circle. First of all, we have to create rectangle child class generic object, that is list one. So list one is a rectangle child class type object. List two is a circle class type object. Finally, we display the values. Right. Anyway, I will execute the same program and show the output. Wildcards helps in allowing more than one type of class in the collections. We come across setting an upper bound and a lower bound for the types which can be allowed in the collection. The bounds are identified using question mark operator, which means an unknown type. So upper bound in the sense see list question mark extends number means that the given list contain objects of some unknown type which extend the number class. Which extend the number class. The following snippet explains the upper bound concept. See here we are creating an integer type of generic object ints. So we are adding only integer value. So list a question mark extends number nums ints. We are assigning ints here. See, ints means allowed because of wildcards. So nums dot add 3.14. This is not allowed now after setting the upper bound. Right, lower bound list question mark super number means that the given list contains objects of some unknown type, which is superclass of the number class. Which is superclass of the number class. That is lower bound. Yes, that is generics only. Any questions? See here already ints of type what integer, but here what type of what we are doing? We are adding double value, but that is not allowed, right? This is upper bound is integer, right? Okay. Any questions? Right now I will show the example. A wildcard example. See here, this is shape and already I explained, right? So now I compile and run it. So whenever draw shapes list one, in the sense list one is of type what? A rectangle type. A rectangle glass object means a drawing rectangle. A list two is of type what? Circle type. How many adds here? Means how many times we are drawing circle? 2 times. How many times we are calling add operations? 2 times. So that's why drawing circle. So this is the output of this particular program. Means drawing rectangle, drawing circle, drawing circle. That is the output of this particular program. Any question? Please raise the questions in WhatsApp group. Thank you.